Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, kindly consider subscribing for your girl. My name is Hazel Hazy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a comeback subscriber, I give thumbs up for you. So today we are having a walk in the park and we visited Nguuni Sanctuary, where we have a few types of animals, wild animals. So as you can see, this is the Sandona area. Yes, where you can sit till the evening and view the sun setting. This is so beautiful considering the weather is so calm. And guys, I know you've noticed this is a dry land, and the trees around here, the trees with thorns, because when trees grow in a dry land, the leaves tend to reduce themselves into thorns due to water purposes and all that. Biology. Okay, I'm with my friend Moza. Most of you guys know Moza. Then that's our guide right there. We're heading to see some tortoise, and here we are. This is the tortoise area. It's a surrounded area for the tortoise alone. So there's a small one right here, like a small tortoise, and then we have other tortoise inside, and then my guide said that we can jump in and come closer to them. Yeah, so I had to jump in, go closer so I can get a closer picture of the tortoise. So this is the biggest and the oldest in this sanctuary. It's 47 years old. And then there's this small one walking away. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. I think that's their water area, and there's another one there going away. Yeah, so at least I was able to see I think 4 tortoise. Yeah. And tortoise have a very hard shell.
Buy it well. And people eat it. Kuna watu wanaikula. Wait, don't move it so fast. Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, you can't touch it.
Usimprovoke sana.
Hey, it's poisonous.
No. This is food. Other people wanakula.
Let me see. I can't hold.
Huko chini sasa
iko chafu. Hey, you are provoking.
Huwa ako as strong as unaweza mkalia at times na nothing happens.
This is a female. How do you know a female and a male?
If you look at it, angalia huko juu.
So guys, the way to know the difference between a female and a male tortoise, this one is a female, this is a male, sorry, because the projections are longer, and that of you see, that's a male, the projections are longer, and a female, just like the other big one that's 47 years old, yeah, you see, that's a male. And then this one now, this is a female. You see, it doesn't have the longer projections like the male one, so it makes it easier during mating. Yeah. So 250 years lifespan of a tortoise.
So inaweza ona
Wow.
3 different generations.
So how old is this one? 47 years. Moza, this tortoise is 47 years.
Older than all of us.
What? And that's a small one?
Kama wadogo.
It can't run. Come, baby.
Mara ametoa speed. Shocker on you.
How long is the neck?
Nobody can actually tell.
It's longer than that. We're coming for you. Poop yao inakaa ya mbuzi. Poop yao. Ooh. Okay, hii ni ile salt yao.
Yeah, that's a salt lake.
Salt lake. Pale.
Hizi zimefungwa
Hizi
hapa.
ni artificial za kuuza, but ukienda kwa forest ama in the natural habitat kama Samara utapata kwa ile natural huwa na labda from ground.
Inatuangalia mzee. Then next we came to view the oryx. Yeah, they kind of look like wild beasts or so, and then they have two very long horns, and those are their defense mechanism. Yeah, so ooh, how beautiful. This is such an amazing experience, like for real, being on the same compound with wild animals and they can't even harm you. Like it's like they're trained, you know. And it was so nice having this giraffe around you, the oryx around you, and even the ostrich. Wow. And it's so relaxing, and you can get you can set a picnic area just around there, enjoy the environment with animals around you, have your own snacks, you know, relax, chill. And the giraffe was so friendly, but we were told not all of them, but of course the one that's here, this one is so friendly. Yeah, so we were done watching the giraffe hanging around there. We are heading to go pick some items we set for the picnic area and eat our snacks as we enjoy the cool feeling, change of environment, the ambience, you know. Yeah, once in a while it's good to change the environment. Yeah, and as you can see, it was so cool. It's chill. It was not a sunny day, though sun came kept on coming and going. It was cloudy, heavy clouds, of course. Yeah, it even rained a little bit, and then yeah. So we're setting the area for a picnic. We get to eat our snacks, we sleep a little bit, surrounded by the animals. Oh my god, you guys, I really enjoyed this day. I needed it for real. So guys, we set up for the picnic area. Yeah, it's so beautiful, like we're just dining in the middle of giraffes and oryx. So we're going to have our snacks as we wait for the ostriches to be here. yeah, you see, we're just surrounded by
Is it coming behind me?
the animals. No, it's not, but it's going away. So you see, we're in the middle of giraffes. Yeah. Then let's enjoy our snacks. Wow, how beautiful. Apparently, it will start breathing and we have to stop the picnic. It's so windy and it's raining at the same time, but we have tents. It's okay, like a shelter, a shade, yeah. So this is where we're going to just sit and continue doing our dance as we wait for the rest of the animals. Yeah, so stay tuned guys and let's enjoy this video. The ostrich is here. Okay, hapana, we don't come. Hey guys, it's been a very fun day, relaxing. The ambience is just on another level, I tell you guys. So you have to visit this place in case you haven't, and it's not a one-time thing guys, because I feel I can be coming here like more often, simply because it's a relaxing place. The ambience is different from what you used to, and then it's the environment is just full of animals, you know. Yeah, so we've come to the end of this video, and guys, if you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, please. Yeah, the ostrich is there. comment down below, guys, and if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment down below. So see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you